is 45 minutes past 12. Please remain seated. Seatbelts will fasten. The welcome desk counter completely stopped and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off for you. Please extend time caution opening the overlock because item may be pulled out of those injuries. Retain from smoking until we reach a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. Laptop, computers, large portable electronic device must remain switched off and securely stored. You may now use your portable electronic device. Thank you. Signori e signori, vi diamo il benvenuto a Bratislava, dove sono le 12:45, rimanete seduti con le cinture di sicurezza allacciate. Attenzione quando aprite le cappelliere perché i vostri bagagli potrebbero essersi spostati e potrebbero cadere. È severamente vietato fumare affinché non abbiate raggiunto la raccomandazione al di fuori del terminale.